Hi classmate, good morning. For today's lesson, we're talking about verb. So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that shows an action or an event. For example, dance, sing, play. Those are the example of a verb. So, next let us proceed the 7 types of verbs. First, the according to forms. First is the regular verbs. A verb that forms its past and past participle formed by adding d or ed to the base of the verb. For example, listen, listened, listened, work, work, work. And the second one is the irregular verb. A, a verb in which past tense is not formed by adding the ed ending. So in the present, for example, beat. So in the present is beat, in the past beat, in the past participle is beaten. Bend, bent, bent. Begin, begun, begun. And according to structure, the number one is transitive verb, express an action and it always followed by an object that received the action. So example, the funding agency approved the project proposal. So in this example, an object answered the question who or what. So what did the funding agency approve? So it is the proposal. And the second is the intransitive verb, a verb that requires an object to receive the action. For example, summer vacation in the Philippines starts from last week of March or April. So the subject there is the vacation and the verb is start. So another example, the speaker discussed different marketing strategies in the video. So the verb discuss requires an object. So different marketing strategy. It is necessary to state that the speakers discuss. So the third one is the linking verb. Linking verb is a word that links or establishes a relationship between the subject and its predicate. So there are 12 popular linking verbs. So these are seems, be, becomes, been, are, feels, being, was, appears, and were. For example, Lee Min-ho becomes the branch manager of the Jollibee in Surigao City. So the linking verb there is become. So many of my friends are there. So the linking verb in the sentence are there. Are. So the last one is the auxiliary verb. Those that are combined with action words to express the ideas exactly. The four groups of helping verbs are the B group. It belongs the is, was, there, where, be, been, and being. And the second group is the have group. The has, have, had. The third group is the do group or the empathic group. Do, does, and did. And the last one is the modal auxiliaries. So it belongs to may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, and would. So for example, he has done the work. So the auxiliary verb there in the sentence is done, which belongs to the do group or the emphatic. So the second example is we will be there in a minute. So it belongs to the B group because there is a word there which is auxiliary verb. So those are the types of verb according to the form and structures.